First mod is going to be getting rid of these orange reflectors. I'm not sure if I'm going to go through I&D or just wrap them myself, but I'll upload a video and let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to. Follow me on Instagram at F80_ho. If you have any questions, let me know. Got a lot of plans for this build. I'm going to take it a lot slower than my F30. We're going to have a hell of a fun time doing it. Thank you for watching again. Peace out.